Here I've got XOLO Era for X, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display, and here click on wallpaper. And it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. You can choose something from your photos or the wallpapers, and this is what I will pick, wallpapers. And now you can come along with all the options. This is the current wallpaper, and let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper to apply it, and finally just select if you want this picture to cover your home screen, lock screen, or both of them, and let me choose both. And this is it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.